Introduction: A new dawn for Zimbabwe's currency. In early 2024, Zimbabwe introduced a new currency, the ZiG, aiming to stabilize the nation's economy after years of hyperinflation and currency instability. The previous multi-currency system, adopted in 2009, had its own limitations. Zimbabweans hoped the ZiG would bring back a sense of national pride and economic sovereignty. The ZiG was introduced alongside bond notes and coins and was meant to operate in tandem with the existing multi-currency system. The government assured the public of the ZiG's stability and value. The initial response was a mix of curiosity and cautious optimism. Many Zimbabweans were eager to see if the ZiG could deliver on its promises of economic stability and growth. Section 2: Initial Optimism and High Hopes. The introduction of the ZiG was met with a wave of optimism. Many saw it as a fresh start, a chance to break free from the shackles of past economic turmoil. The government's assurances of stability and value further fueled this hope. Zimbabweans were particularly excited about the prospect of having their own currency again. It was seen as a symbol of national pride and sovereignty. The multi-currency system, while providing some stability, had always felt like a temporary solution. There was also hope that the ZiG would stimulate economic growth. A stable currency could attract foreign investment and boost local businesses. This in turn could lead to job creation and improved living standards. Section 3: Practical Challenges and Consumer Frustrations. Despite the initial optimism, consumers soon began to face practical challenges with the ZiG. One major issue was the lack of readily available smaller denominations, which made daily transactions, especially for low-value purchases, cumbersome. Another challenge was the resistance from some traders and businesses to accept the ZiG. Many preferred to stick with the more established foreign currencies, such as the US dollar. This created confusion and inconvenience for consumers. The value of the ZiG also began to fluctuate, raising concerns about its long-term stability. This uncertainty eroded consumer confidence and made it difficult for people to plan their finances effectively. In Section 4, we explore public services and trader reactions. Public services, such as utilities and transportation, were slow to adopt the ZiG. This meant that citizens still needed foreign currency for many essential services. The inconsistency in acceptance further complicated daily life. Many traders, especially in the informal sector, remained hesitant to accept the ZiG. They cited concerns about its value and the potential for losses due to fluctuations. This created a fragmented market, with some businesses accepting the ZiG and others not. Larger businesses and formal establishments were more likely to accept the ZiG. However, they often did so at unfavorable exchange rates, effectively penalizing consumers who chose to use the new currency. Moving on to Section 5, we discuss the impact on daily life. The challenges with the ZiG have had a significant impact on the daily lives of ordinary Zimbabweans. The uncertainty surrounding its value and acceptance has made budgeting and financial planning difficult. The need to carry multiple currencies for different transactions has added complexity to daily life. It has also created opportunities for arbitrage and exploitation, further disadvantaging consumers. The situation has disproportionately affected low-income individuals and families who have fewer resources to cope with the fluctuations and uncertainties. In Section 6, we consider the road ahead, navigating uncertainty. The future of the ZiG remains uncertain. Its success will depend on several factors, including the government's ability to maintain its value, promote wider acceptance, and address the practical challenges faced by consumers. Building trust in the new currency is crucial. This requires consistent policies, transparent communication, and demonstrable efforts to stabilize the economy. The government may need to consider measures such as providing incentives for businesses to accept the ZiG, ensuring the availability of smaller denominations, and implementing stricter regulations to curb speculation and currency manipulation. The path towards a stable and widely accepted currency is likely to be long and challenging. However, with the right policies and a concerted effort from all stakeholders, the ZiG could still fulfill its promise of a new dawn for Zimbabwe's economy.